Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Hope everyone is doing good. So meanwhile everyone knows what's going on across the global world. The geopolitical tension of tariff by the Donald Trump to US is drastically has fallen. Now it's time for India now. So let's get into the open interest analysis of FII and DII first. Later we will see the global news. So these are the four important players who get the money and who runs the market. So FII DIS client and proprietor desk. So FII as of we are checking 30 March and we will compare with this Friday's data. So in future index FII was having a long of 35 and short of 65. So today they have reduced their long, increased their short by 6%. Now they have 29% long, 71% short. It means they're having a huge bearish positions. Option index call they were having 75,000 call option contracts. Input they were having 1,50,000 of put option contracts. Now what they have done, they have increased their call contracts, buying contract, and also we see they have purchased a huge number of put buying contract. So in March they have purchased for 2000 crores, and meanwhile in April till date in 1 week they have sold for 13,370 crores. So see the view of FII is very much bearish as of now. Now let's move to the client. Future index long they were having 54% and short 46%. Now they have increased their futures long 59% they have now, and in short they are having 41%. So it means they have increased their long 5%, reduced the short 5%. Client are the retailers, those are us who don't know anything. I mean, many people retailers they don't know what's the market, where it is going, what's happening. They don't track the news properly. They just go with the influencers. Those are not that much educated, so they take the wrong views as per their opinion. Option index call they were having in 64,000 of call writing contracts. Now the call writing has been increased by 1.33 lakh contracts, so they have 1.97 lakh of call writing contract. Input they were having 1.60 lakh of put writing contract. They have increased drastically put writing 2.49 lakh contracts, so they have 4 lakh 10,000 contract of put writing. So see, they have made a bullish view here, and also they're having a 50% of call writing also while comparing with put. It means they are more bullish here, and here also slightly bullish in future index. And in cash market, see what they have done. In March they sold for 7,374 crores. Now also they are started selling. In April also 266 crores. So see, this is what the client make mistakes here. They are going bullish in F&O, rather they have to go bullish in cash market. They have to hold, or they have to buy at the dip, but they are selling at every highs. Proprietor desk in future index they were having 30% of long and 70% of short. Now what they have done, they have reduced the longs and increased the shorts by 3%. They have 27% long, 73% short. Option index call they were having 11,000 of call writing contract. See, call writing also has been increased by proprietor desk here 73,000 contracts, so they have 84,000 contract of call writing. It means they have made a negative positions in options as well as in futures also. And in put they were having a 56,000 contract of put writing. This was earlier. Now what have they done? They have reduced their put writing also by 38,000 contracts, so they have 18,000 of put writing contract as of now. It means they have bearish position in F&O now. And we have seen in March they have purchased for 4,000 crores, and in April till now they have purchased for 278 crores. Now we'll see the change in open interest. Nifty expiry will be on 9th April, this weekly expiry. So PCR is at 0.61. So mostly the strong view are from call writing. Those are sitting at 23,000, is acting as a main resistance level, and support we can take 22,500, because mostly put buyers are sitting here. If you see, this all are maximum put buyers here, whereas call writing is also has been done. We cannot see any call buying here. So what they have done, long way out of the money they have purchased the call and at the money they have shorted to get the margin benefit. So we can see that strategy now for this week, and it is looking bearish only. Let's come to bank nifty. Expiry will be on 24th April. PCR at 0.99. A huge movement we have seen at 53,000. Put writer has been unwinded their positions here, and huge call writer have added the position on 53,000 contract and also at 52,000 contract also. It means we can see a huge bearish positions only in bank nifty, and a major support we can see at 50,000, and that 50,000 contract is also a not put writers. There are about a put buying only we can see. It means a huge bearish positions also we can see in bank nifty as of now. Now let's come to technical analysis. We'll see the wicks of US. They are at 45.30. It has almost climbed 50% on Friday, and India wicks is at 13.75. So it is very neutral. A question for you guys. You just tell me why the India wicks is not going up. Meanwhile, the US has fired a lot. So at the conclusion, I will share why what. So you can also give your opinion here. So see Dow on Friday, a huge fall we have seen. Last 2 days we have seen a good fall, but on Friday it was a drastic 5.50 fall. So let's check this in monthly. So if we check in monthly, we have seen last year where the market was, it has crossed that level, last year's high, and it is almost trading near to the last year's low. Same with the nasdaq also. Last year's low they are trading now. A huge drastic fall we have seen in nasdaq also. It means all the ITs are not performing well, due to the tariff. So there is a huge chances of recession in US. If it comes in US, anyhow it has to spread across the world then. So now let's check the nifty in 1 day time frame, because we have not fallen that much, but on Monday we are going to open hugely down near to 23,300 I'm expecting. So what can happen on that day? There can be a short covering, a good short covering can come, and later part it can also fall, or a coming days it can also fall. But only remember, if you're having a very good fundamental stocks, you can average or you can still hold. Don't sell a single share if you're having a fundamentally strong shares. Even though it can be ITs also, don't sell. Rather, you can think of buying. Not an issue today or tomorrow. The market can recover. Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, it is in a consolidation phase, but on Monday it is going to open hugely down, and same the Bank Nifty also will recover. A short covering we can see, and we have to see on the next second of what's going to happen. Do it is going to fall or it's going to stay at that same level. But as per now the globally it is falling a lot. It means India can also correct a lot in coming days. So for every rise in options and futures we can think of shorting, but in cash market just thinking of buying a fundamentally good stocks. And in mutual fund you can also top up or you can add on, not an issue. Even though your portfolio looks red, not an issue, you can add as of now. So gold future we can see it is at 88,000. So what to do in gold? So if you having a huge good portfolio, you can hedge against gold also. You can go with ETF gold, not an issue, you can buy. So many investors are telling it is going at 50,000 it can correct. So gold is always a hedge against all the negative global market. So I don't think it can go to the 50,000, and if it has gone, so it will be a good opportunity to buy gold at every dip. Even the US 10 years bond we have seen at 4% yield. It means many people have put their money in US 10 years bond. That's why the yield has been reduced. So what to do in Nifty, Bank Nifty I told. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.